Good morning. Well, I'm going to show you what the dirty side of homesteading is like today. I see a lot of videos, and they're all wonderful. Beautiful manicured gardens and beautiful animals, and everything is really, really well done. But what a lot of people fail to tell you is that there's a lot of poop and a lot of pee involved in all of it. And it is what it is, you know. It's the way God designed it. And I usually don't talk in my videos. I'm gonna have to start doing that, I guess. But I give a lot of credit to Living Traditions, Kevin and Sarah, and many others out there that showed me a lot of stuff. You know, this hoop house design is Kevin's, of course, and I really appreciate YouTube's help and all these fine people out there showing us some tricks and things like that. But I'm just going to show you how I do it, and it's not glamorous, it's not beautiful, it's not pretty, but it gets done, and it's good enough. And we're going to certainly enjoy this chicken this year, and it's going to be really tasty, really nice, and it's going to feed my family, and it's going to cost a fraction of what it costs in the store. I didn't grow up this way, I didn't start out this way, but I'm going to try to finish strong. I'm going to show you these birds. I'm going to show you how big they got. I've been filming them periodically, and they are getting huge. Yeah, it's not going to be long, maybe 10 days, and we're butchering chicken. And I'm going to make plenty of videos on the butchering process and what we do. We skin them. We don't pluck them. We don't have a plucker or anything like that. It's a lot quicker and more efficient for us, you know. But every day we got to layer hay on this ground because it gets so poopy that if you don't, there will be poop caked up all on them come butchering time, which is very unpleasant. I have to fill these 5-gallon water jugs every day, 15 gallons of water. I got 130 birds in a 16-foot long house. I got another 16-foot long house next door that I'm going to put some of them in, and because they're getting too big and they're taking up the whole floor. But we use what we got, and we got to keep them protected. We live out in the woods, deep in the woods, and we don't want all the predators coming to get our meat. I killed a coon the other day, and I think I showed that. In fact, I know I showed that. You know, I'm just starting out with this YouTube stuff and just want to show everybody the non-glamorous side of all of it, you know. And these birds are getting a 50-pound sack of feed a day. And it won't be long, like I said, it won't be long until it's time. But here you can see them. They're taking up the whole floor, you know. So we'll move them. We'll move a whole load of them today next door. And we'll prep them over in that house. Get them some water, some food. Get them ready for butchering. But I'm just dad that does stuff. That's it. No fancy channel, no nonsense. You know, there will be animals you'll see shot. There'll be birds getting butchered. There'll be life, death here on the homestead. You know, we're not even a farm. We're just a little family operation. We don't sell anything. We do our own garden, our own vegetables. But we got other sources of income. We got a really, really nice poodle operation, of all things. But it works for us. And I hope you guys enjoy seeing the dirtier side of it, because that's the truth, you know. We hand milk our cow. We got one dairy cow, hand milker, and since it's summer, right now. I'm just battling horseflies every morning. But I'm gonna get to feeding these birds, layering hay, and watering them up. And I hope you guys enjoy some videos that I'll start putting out there and showing you what we do and how we do it. And you know, like I said, no frills, no fuss. And they're just getting big. There'll be a lot of chicken in that freezer this year. Well, I better get to work. I'm gonna stop now, and I'll show you guys. More to come. I'll do a video later this afternoon about moving them into the other house and just picking them up, throwing them in there, and I'll just show you what we do. All right, that does things. Get out there and do something.